Last time, a friend asked me where the electricity for the outdoor air conditioner came from. Today, let me explain to you the power supply method of air conditioners. There are many ways to power our air conditioners. It can be directly connected to 220 volts of household electricity, outdoor power, the outdoor generator, and connect the adapter, and then connect the outdoor power supply. In addition, this air conditioner in our house also supports 12 volt, 24 volt car cable. Here, let's talk about the power consumption of this air conditioner. It's 50 watts of cooling power. The power consumption per hour is only 0.2 degrees. It can be said to be very energy efficient. There are so many ways to power. Are you still worried that the outdoor air conditioner will not last?